channel, and today Samantha and I have some exciting news that we cannot wait to share with you guys. But before we get to that news, let me tell you a little bit about Samantha and I. Both of us love being in the outdoors, and we enjoy hiking, we enjoy just doing anything that we can outside. Well, since we've been going to the theme parks a lot here lately, we have failed to enjoy ourselves like we have in nature. So Samantha and I decided, what better way to get back into nature and doing some things that we really love to do than to buy a vacation home. And that is what we've done. Samantha and I have bought a fantastic vacation home that will allow us to get back outside, enjoy nature, walk with the dog, have campfires, and enjoy ourselves. So let's go and take a look at our vacation home so we can show you guys what we're getting into. Wait a minute. You didn't think we got a cabin, do you? Nope, come on. Let me show you our new vacation home in all of its glory. And there it is, the Napier truck tent. So this is what Samantha and I decided to buy. We have been looking at tents a lot here lately, and a truck tent is something that I've always wanted because I've got a truck, and why not? So we decided to go ahead and break down and get the Napier truck tent so that we can go out and camp some more. Samantha and I started unpacking the Napier truck tent to get it ready for assembly. Now, Samantha and I had never read the instructions, however we did watch a YouTube video on how to do this. We jumped right in and started putting this together. We quickly realized that maybe not reading the instructions was a bad idea, so we again glanced at the instructions as we went by. Once we figured everything out, it all started coming together. Now, as we stood underneath those big pines in that grove and tried to figure out this truck tent, it all came together. And it was hard work, for sure, and it took us about 45 minutes to do this. But once we figured it out, we knew next time would be a breeze. One thing we did notice after we put it together is the two blue poles that are sticking in the ground. After we filmed, we realized that's not where they're supposed to go. So now we know next time. So guys, this is our new vacation home. Samantha and I are really excited that we finally broke down and bought a tent, especially a truck tent. So now we can get out and take you guys to more places, and we can explore different things other than theme parks. So guys, please follow along on us on our camping adventures. So now with that, I'm gone. Peace.